going on, peeps? Josh here, DepriveD Productions, with an 8th Pro Tools tutorial with the audio production side of our stuff. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to talk about reverse reverb and how easy it is to create it. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be quick, no big deal. I got an audio segment here from my man Michael Sunderland from Mixer, www.mixer.com/CardSharkGaming. The Card Shark right here, the Shark Tank. Promise you guys, one of the best, if not the best streamer on Mixer. You got to check him out. Listen to him chat. He said a little something here for us, real unique, real original. Let's check it out.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flip-turned upside down. I'd like to take a minute. Just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the Prince of Bel Air.
Good guy. Real original stuff. Definitely no copyright problems there. All right, so we're going to make some reverse reverb on his voice. So check it out. We always go over here, right, and go here and grab our plugins. We ain't going to do that today, son. I'm going to talk to you about audio suites. What happens is, if you grab an audio suite, it'll actually apply an effect over, instead of the whole track, just a segment or just one section or whatever. And we're just going to do this. And the reason we're going to do it is because we're going to have to do a couple things I can't do with plugins. So check it out. Audio suites. If I go to Reverb here, and I just click the Deverb because that's the free one that comes with Pro Tools, it'll pull up this little thing right here. I'll set it to room, okay? I'm just going to do a couple settings here, high cut, you know, where I want it, crank the output up, because you'll notice immediately. And I'm going to set it to 50 on the dry and wet 50, because you'll notice immediately, and I'm going to pull this down here, you'll notice that it gets a little quieter once we render it, okay? So basically, we hear Mike.
Now this is a story all about how.
Or we can hear him with the reverb.
Now this is a story all about how.
Big difference, right? Let's render it and see what happens. So now that it's rendered, you can tell that the audio file is a little bit quieter. I'll go into the mix window, right? Move this out of the way and make sure he's turned as far up as I can take him, which isn't much more. So unfortunately, let's see what we sound like here. Let's exit out of here real quick and listen to it.
Now this is a story all about how.
Cool, he's got some reverb, but we can't really reverse the reverb, but check it out. I could reverse the track. I could go back to audio suites, go to other, go to reverse. Okay, and as long as this is selected, once I press render, boom, it reversed. Let's check it out now. It's freaking awesome is what it is, but he talks backwards. I'm going to have to Control Z once, Control Z twice, 3 times maybe, and I'm back to the original.
Now this is a story all about how.
Love it. Now here's the thing. What I need to do is I need to have the reverse reverb come in like it was, but he talked normally. You might already know what I'm about to do, son. Check it out. Double click, and the first thing we'll do is go to Audio Suites, Other, and Reverse. So we'll go to Reverse, and we'll reverse it. Yeah? And let's listen to old Michael. I love that. I love it. All right, Audio Suites. Now that it's reversed, we'll go to Reverb and Deverb. I'll set the same settings. Room 1, crank the high filter cut up. Turn the dB up there, output. Change this to 50, so it's about half and half, and render. Okay, so now we have reverb over his backwards voice. Yes, yes. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? Go back to Audio Suites and reverse again. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So I click it and reverse it again. Now he's gonna talk in reverse, but in the normal speed, but he's gonna have that reverb coming in, right? Let's check it out.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flip-turned upside down. I'd like to take a minute. Just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the Prince of Bel Air.
Oh, you know what I'm talking about? Pretty sweet, right? He's got kind of like that effect on him. And again, this is a real quick tutorial, guys, but you could see how easy that was. I literally reversed it, added the reverb, and reversed it after the reverb was applied. It makes the reverb suck in instead of, going out, you know what I'm talking about. And it makes his voice, where it was backwards and the reverb was applied, now it's forwards again, even though the reverb is backwards. So, you know what I'm talking about? It's freaking sweet. So again, he sounds freaking crazy.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flip-turned upside down. I'd like to take a minute. Just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the Prince of Bel Air.
Let's all take a second and thank the Prince of Bel-Air, Will Smith, for doing that whole show for us so we could even make this possible, I think. One more time, Michael Sunderland from The Shark Tank on Mixer.com/CardShark. He's the best there is. Check him out. Love it. It's amazing. He's so good. He's so intuitive and so entertaining. Go check him out. And guys, thanks for watching. Again, an 8th Pro Tools tutorial with DepriveD Productions. I apologize. I told you today I'd be releasing the second part of the 500 subscribers free content, but it'll be a couple more days, but I promise it's worth it. So I will see you soon. If you got any questions, holla at your boy. Let me know what you need. One more again or whatever not. I don't care. Hit me up. Peace.